Hey guys, it's Rob with Project XJ 99, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick detail tip. I'm detailing a truck right now that has a lot of short hair, white dog hair in it. A easy tip, easy trick to get rid of it. And this is a rubbered palm glove. This is a regular work glove. I guess anything with a rubber surface on it would work for it as well. But this is how you get it done. So just rub your hand on the surface and it'll collect. It'll collect that hair. Try this. You know, it's going to take a few times. But this long hair gets locked in the carpet, or this short hair, I'm sorry, gets locked in the carpet and is very hard to pick up with a vacuum. So this will make your vacuuming a little easier. See the difference? So yeah, add your vacuuming with your glove. I do it at the same time. This hand is gathering hair while I'm vacuuming with the other, and it comes out like this. Pretty good. It's not 100%. I could have done better, but I am in a hurry a little bit. Maybe I'll show you the other side before I start that. Here is passenger side. And I'll give you a quick update when I'm done. So I say with a glove and vacuum, you get 99% of the hair up. Alright, so I pre-vacuumed the area, and this is what's stuck behind after just the vacuum. So I'm going to use the glove and knock this out. Here's the after. Pretty good. It's not perfect, but this isn't a detail. I'm just cleaning this vehicle out. Sorry if you can't see in the sun. But yeah, even your hand. I usually use just my hand, but after a while, you know, you're gonna get, I don't know, I'm sure your hand will get sore or whatever from the carpet. So I think a rubber glove, rubber lined work glove like this, or surgical glove will work great. I'm sure there's other ways to do this, but it's just a method that I've always used. So hope that helps you guys out too. Thanks for watching, guys.